Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we bring you the 50 best multiple choice questions from class 9th history, chapter 5, pastoralist in the modern world. These questions are perfect for revision, practice and boosting your confidence for exams. Let's get started. Then, first question. What is the primary livelihood of pastoralist? Option A, farming. Option B, animal herding. Option C, fishing. Or option D, trading. Right answer is option B, animal herding. Next question, second. Which animals are commonly herded by pastoralists? Option A, elephants and lions. Option B, camels, sheep and goats. Option C, tigers and deer. And option D, fish and birds. Right answer is option B, camels, sheep and goats. Next question 3. What kind of environment do pastoralists usually live in? Option A, dense forest. Option B, desert and grasslands. Option C, coastal areas. Or option D, urban centers. Right answer is option B, deserts and grasslands. Next question 4. What is a common practice among pastoralists for managing herds? Option A, permanent settlement. Option B, nomadic movement or migration. Option C, building factories. Or option D, planting crops. Right answer is option B, nomadic movement or migration. Next question 5th. Which of the following is not a pastoral community? Option A, Maasai. Option B, Nuer. Option C, Santhal. Or option D, Mongols. Right answer is option C, Santhal. Next question 6. Why do pastoralists migrate? Option A, to find better grazing land and water for animals. Option B, for tourism. Option C, for trade fairs. Or option D, to build houses. Right answer is option A, to find better grazing lands and water for animals. Next question 7. What type of social organization do many pastoralists have? Option A, large centralized estates. Option B, clan or tribal groups. Option C, urban political parties. Or option D, a religious congregation. Right answer is option B, clan or tribal groups. Next question 8. What was the impact of colonial rule on pastoralists? Option A, increased their mobility. Option B, restricted their movement and grazing rights. Option C, made them king. Or option D, gave them land ownership. Right answer is option B, restricted their movement and grazing rights. Next question 9. What is transhumance? Option A, settling permanently in one place. Option B, seasonal movement of pastoralists and their herds. Option C, hunting wild animals. Or option D, planting crops. Right answer is option B, seasonal movement of pastoralists and their herds. Next question 10. Which colonial power controlled most pastoral lands in Africa? Option A, British. Option B, French. Option C, Portuguese. Or option D, Dutch. Right answer is option A, British. Next question 11. What is the common conflict involving pastoralists today? Option A, conflicts with farmers over land and water. Option B, dispute over fishing rights. Option C, trade disagreement. Or option D, religious conflicts. Right answer is option A, conflicts with farmers over land and water. Next question 12. What is the primary economic activity of pastoralists? Option A, manufacturing good. Option B, herding animals for milk, meat and trade. Option C, mining minerals. Or option D, trading textiles. Right answer is option B, herding animals for milk, meat and trade. Next question 13. What is the term for the tents used by many nomadic pastoralists? Option A, igloo. Option B, yurt or ger. Option C, hut. Or option D, cabin. Right answer is option B, yurt or ger. Next question 14. How do pastoralists often resolve disputes within the community? Option A, through courts and lawyers. Option B, through elders and customary laws. Option C, by voting. Or option D, by government intervention. Right answer is option B, through elders and customary laws. Next question 15. What role do women often play in pastoralist societies? Option A, none. Option B, key roles in managing livestock and household tasks. Option C, only political roles. Option D, industrial work. Right answer is option B, key role in managing livestock and household tasks. Next question 16. What is a major challenge pastoralists face today? Option A, urbanization and loss of grazing land. Option B, lack of interest in animals. Option C, too much land available. Or option D, overpopulation. Right answer is option A, urbanization and loss of grazing land. Next question 17. Which of these is an example of an pastoral community in Central Asia? Option A, Maasai. Option B, Mongols. Option C, Santhal. Or option D, Zulu. Right answer is option B, Mongols. Next question 18. What does the term nomad means? Option A, settled farmer. Option B, one who moves frequently from place to place. Option C, trader. Or option D, hunter. Right answer is option B, one who moves frequently from place to place. Next question 19. How have modern governments affected pastoralists? Option A, recognize their rights fully. Option B, restricted mobility and access to traditional lands. Option C, made them rulers. Or option D, help increase their herd sizes. Right answer is option B, restricted mobility and access to traditional lands. Next question 20. What is pastoralism? Option A, group farming. Option B, herding of domesticated animals. Option C, fishing. Or option D, mining. Right answer is option B, herding of domesticated animals. Next question 21. Which region has a large number of pastoral communities? Option A, Amazon rainforest. Option B, Sahara Desert and Central Asia. Option C, Antarctica. Or option D, coastal Australia. Right answer is option B, Sahara Desert and Central Asia. Next question 22. How do pastoralists adapt to harsh environment? Option A, by building permanent houses. Option B, by migrating to find pasture and water. Option C, by farming intensively. Or option D, by industrial work. Right answer is option B, by migrating to find pasture and water. Next question 23. What is the traditional grazing practice among pastoralists? Option A, overgrazing without planning. Option B, rotational grazing and movement. Option C, keeping animals tied at home. Option D, grazing only in forest. Right answer is option B, rotational grazing and movement. Next question 24. Which product is not commonly obtained from pastoral animals? Option A, milk. Option B, wool. Option C, honey. Or option D, meat. Right answer is option C, honey. Next question 25. How did colonial governments view pastoralists? Option A, as valuable allies. Option B, as obstacles to development and control. Option C, as rulers of land. And option D, as urban workers. Right answer is option B, as obstacles to development and control. Next question 26. What is the major reason for conflicts between pastoralists and farmers? Option A, overuse of water and land. Option B, religious differences. Option C, political differences. Or option D, language barriers. Right answer is option A, overuse of water and land. Next question 27. Which pastoral community is known for its distinctive red clothing and breedwork? Option A, Mongols. Option B, Masai. Option C, Santhal. Or option D, Nur. Right answer is option B, Masai. Next question 28. What is the main reason pastoralists move seasonally? Option A, festival. Option B, climate and availability of pasture. Option C, trade fairs. Or option D, education. The right answer is option B, climate and availability of pasture. Next question 29. How do pastoralists contribute to the economy? Option A, by producing milk, meat, wool and animal products. Option B, by mining minerals. Option C, by manufacturing goods. Or option D, by fishing. Right answer is option A, by producing milk, meat, wool and animal products. Next question 30. What is the effect of fencing and land privatization on pastoralists? Option A, easier movement. Option B, restricted access to traditional grazing land. Option C, no effect. Option D, more land for herding. Right answer is option B, restricted access to traditional grazing lands. Next question 31. Which animal is often referred to as the sheep of the desert and important to pastoralists? Option A, elephant. Option B, camel. Option C, horse. Or option D, cow. Right answer is option B, camel. Next question 32. What is a tribal council in pastoral societies? Option A, formal court system. Option B, group of elders making decisions and resolving dispute. Option C, political party. Or option D, religious group. Right answer is option B, group of elders making decisions and resolving disputes. Next question 33. How do pastoralists usually treat animals? Option A, only as economic resources. Option B, with care and respect, seeing them as part of their culture. Option C, they do not keep animals. Option D, as wild animals. Right answer is option B, with care and respect, seeing them as part of their culture. Next question 34. Which pastoral community in South Sudan is known for cattle herding? Option A, Masai. Option B, Nuer. Option C, Mongols. Or option D, Santhals. The right answer is option B, Nuer. Next question 35. What is the impact of climate change on pastoralism? Option A, no impact. Option B, causes droughts and scarcity of pasture. Option C, increase pasture land. Or option D, encourages more farming. Right answer is option B, causes droughts and scarcity of pasture. Next question 36. How have some pastoralists adapted to modern changes? Option A, stop herding animals. Option B, diversified livelihood by combining herding with farming or trade. Option C, move to cities permanently. Or option D, become industrial workers. Right answer is option B, diversified livelihood by combining herding with farming or trade. Next question 37. What is a common tool used by pastoralists for herding? Option A, guns. Option B, whistles and staffs. Option C, tractors. Or option D, computers. Right answer is option B, whistles and staffs. Next question 38. Which pastoral community traditionally uses hordes? Option A, Masai. Option B, Mongols. Option C, Santhal. Or option D, Nuer. Right answer is option B, Mongols. Next question 39. How do pastoralists typically transport their homes? Option A, by carts or animals. Option B, leave homes permanently. Option C, build permanent houses. Or option D, use boats. Right answer is option A, by carts or animals. Next question 40. What role do animals play in pastoralist culture beyond economy? Option A, religious and social symbols. Option B, no rule. Option C, only food sources. Or option D, only economic assault. Right answer is option A, religious and social symbols. Next question 41. Which of these pastoral animals is primarily raised for wool? Option A, camel. Option B, sheep. Option C, goats. Or option D, cattle. Right answer is option B, sheep. Next question 42. How do pastoralists pass down their knowledge and culture? Option A, written book. Option B, oral traditions and stories. Option C, formal schools. Option D, internet. Right answer is option B, oral traditions and stories. Next question 43. What is the effect of sedentarization on pastoralists? Option A, increased mobility. Option B, loss of traditional lifestyle and culture. Option C, more herding. Or option D, no effect. Right answer is option B, loss of traditional lifestyle and culture. Next question 44. Which pastoral community is famous for horse riding skills. Option A Mashai, option B Mongols, option C Santhal, or option D Nyor. Right answer is option B Mongols. Next question 45. What is the major health issue faced by pastoralists? Option A urban pollution, option B limited access to healthcare and sanitation, option C food surplus, or option D too many hospitals. Right answer is option B limited access to healthcare and sanitation. Next question 46. How did colonial powers try to control pastoralists? Option A by encouraging nomadism, option B by fencing lands and restricting movement, option C by giving them more land, option D by increase their herds. Next right answer is option B by fencing lands and restricting movement. Next question 47. What is the common reason pastoralists trade with their animals? Option A for cash to buy goods and services, option B for political power, option C for building houses, or option D for sports. Right answer is option A for cash to buy goods and services. Next question 48. Which pastoral community lives in the Horn of Africa? Option A Maasai, option B Somali, option C Mongols, or option D Nyor. Right answer is option B Somali. Next question 49. How do pastoralists ensure the sustainability of grazing land? Option A by overgrazing, option B through controlled movement and seasonal migration, option C by fencing all lands, or option D by cutting down trees. Right answer is option B through controlled movement and seasonal migration. Next question 50. What is the future challenge for pastoralists? Option A increased land and water access, option B loss of land due to development and climate change, option C no challenges, or option D overpopulation of animals. Right answer is option B loss of land due to development and climate change. Now chapter ended, and that was our set of the 50 best MCQ questions from chapter 4. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video. Thanks.